Hi there, Nancy Anderberg. Now that you have learned about intermittent fasting, I want to talk to you about the ketogenic diet. Now, this is taking the world by storm as well as intermittent fasting, and these two methods work really fantastic together. The keto diet is designed to help one's body learn to burn fat instead of glucose for energy, and so does intermittent fasting, but this is different. Ketosis levels are impacted by the overall percentage of the protein, carbohydrates, and fats that are in your daily diet. So your style of eating should be programmed and designed for a daily percentage of about 5 to 10% of the calories from carbohydrates, 60 to 75% from actual good healthy fats, and then 15% to 30% protein. So the net carbs, you only want to have a maximum of 30 grams of carbohydrates per day. So it's really, really important. There are several online, you could just Google it and check it out and look at different meal plans that are out there. So there's no need for you to really get hungry, just so you know that once you kind of acclimated to this, if you're hungry, then you want to eat. But you shouldn't have any problems because you're drinking TAKA in the morning, and that is going to handle any hunger pains, and you're setting yourself up then for the rest of the day to feel great. So if you still need more food than what the plan that you put together, just increase the portions, or if you need less, just decrease the portions. No big deal, okay? So if you're not hungry, that's great, but still drink TAKA because it does so many things for you. Just pay special attention to the percentages of your carbs, fats, and proteins, that you're not getting too many carbohydrates on a ketogenic diet, okay? So you'll need to do your research on macronutrients and grams and what they are in different whole foods that you're eating, okay? So you want to strive to have 4 to 5 small meals per day, and make sure that you drink plenty of fluids, okay? Super important. It's important to stay hydrated, and that is the other reason why I recommend TAKA, because TAKA is the perfect drink to drink in the morning after you finish or actually when you wake up, you're still doing your fast. But then also mid-afternoon, I want you to mix it in a large bottle, like maybe a 2-liter bottle or larger, and sip on that all afternoon, because it's going to help you turn your body into that fat-burning machine. Your fluids each day should be from water, TAKA, herbal teas, or broths. They will all count to your 2.5 liters a day, okay? So let's talk about what do you eat. So you'll want to focus on non-starchy vegetables like broccoli, zucchini, mushrooms, cabbage, etc., okay? Leafy greens are always fantastic too. Just be careful what you put on them. And the only fruit that I recommend is berries, okay? We recommend eating whole eggs. Organic is always best. And meat such as free-range chicken, turkey, lamb, duck, pork, grass-fed beef, and bison. Fish are also great too, like wild-caught salmon, anchovies, sardines, even canned sardines are okay, all right? So if you're a person that eats dairy, please choose whole, full-fat, organic dairy products. This is important, okay? And I don't know if you like nuts or not, but I sure do. All nuts and nut butters are okay. You can have those too, all right? So like from pistachios, Brazil nuts, sunflower seeds, and so many other seeds, okay? So putting them like in a butter or, just as a nut. Okay, so there are, sorry, somebody's mowing the lawn out here and it's loud. So oils are important too, like olive oil, walnut oil, coconut oil, avocado oil. Those are the good oils. You can use those. And vinegars are great too. And you can mix those two together, like apple cider vinegar or white wine or red wine vinegar or balsamic vinegar. And then you can use all different kinds of herbs and spices that you love, especially to mix in with the vinegar and the oil for like your dressings for your salads, okay? So let's talk about what isn't recommended, what you cannot eat. Alcohol is absolutely out, okay? The keto diet will not be a program that's for you if you're going to consume alcohol. It just won't work, okay? So please, you also don't want to have any processed foods or packaged foods like chips or pastas or frozen dinners or white breads, energy bars, those kinds of things. You'll want to stay away from starchy vegetables like potatoes, corn, and peas. You want to stay away from that because they're higher glycemic, all right? And also stay away from the high glycemic fruits. You can eat berries. That's it for fruit, okay? So everything else is a no-no. So all grains need to be removed, including wheat, barley, rye, spelt, bran, oats, and many more. You just get rid of them. And then factory farmed or processed meats, they're really not recommended either. So it's important that you don't consume beans and legumes as well. And no candies, no sweets, no baked goods, unless they're keto friendly. And I have some great recipes on my YouTube channel, some keto friendly desserts. So last on the list is no sodas, no carbonated beverages. And you just don't want to use artificial sweeteners. There are sweeteners that are okay, like stevia and xylitol, okay? But be careful on your condiments. That's always a big one to watch. And just use oil and vinegar and your herbs, okay, to make your own condiments. So I recommend starting with the intermittent fasting for 2 weeks. And then if you're still interested in adding the ketogenic diet to it, then you can ease into that. So once these two are fully integrated into your lifestyle, if that's what you want to do, you're gonna feel fantastic. You're gonna use TAKA right away in the morning. You're gonna sip on it all afternoon then, to a second one. And if you're really having some fantastic benefits and you wanna be like optimally charged to burn the most fat, I really highly recommend our Eternal product. Also, not just the capsules, but the cream. The cream's gonna help tighten up your skin. I just love that product. But the Eternal helps increase HGH levels and also increase testosterone, which is very, very important. Hormones are important, especially for anti-aging and helping to burn that fat, turning your body into that fat burning machine. You wanna keep the inflammation down as well. Very, very important. So TAKA and Eternal would just work fantastic with an intermittent fasting program, with a keto program, and if you want to combine the two, it's amazing. I teach live classes online in groups. I start new ones all the time, and people absolutely love it because it's working. It just works. So I hope this helps you. If you would like more information, you can go to FASTKetoChallenge.com, and I'll add you to the email list so that you can just learn more about nutrition and about intermittent fasting and the keto diet, as well as other things. So thank you so much. I hope this helps. God bless you.